In most wineries, this whole bin will be just dumped on to the elevator. We're sorting here every single cluster by cluster. And this is very, very labor intensive. These clusters will make each of them a glass of wine. So here, they're looking at each cluster and making sure that things like this are picked out and thrown over to the side, like that. And then make sure that the clusters are not over shriveled and dehydrated. If they are, they put them away. Otherwise, then they'll load them up on the elevator, takes them up to the top to the destemmer. The destemmer knocks off the stems, spits it out on the other side, and then these ladies pick up the little clumps that are coming through the vibrating table, which has a screen that's sized for the Merlot grape berry size. And then the rest of the ladies pick everything else out. They're already picking out all these extra little stem jacks and little stems that the machine didn't take off. What we have here is the most severe sorting table in the wine industry. We sort down to individual berries, and everything, stem jacks are pulled off and they are diverted on the chute along with any over shrivels, look like that. And we get rid of all that so that what goes into our tanks is perfectly uniform berries that look like blueberries. Not a single stem jack. And we don't do crushing here. We just have this neutral hopper that feeds into a peristaltic pump that does not touch the grapes. And then we pulse it up into the tank. And every time the cam turns on the pump, it pushes the berries in front and they go right up into the top of our tank. This belt is moving at around a half a ton per hour. So we picked basically 5.4 tons. It's going to be close to a 10-hour day. And the ladies have to sort every single thing, feel the berries, and we don't make sure that there's lots of room in between the berries, and they can also feel them, that if in case the berries are crushed or damaged, then they go into the trash can. Normally we lose around a quarter of a ton, but the fruit looks so clean right now that I think we're going to lose less than 5%. Because mostly what's going into the trash can is stem jacks and just a little bit of shrivel. The rest of the fruit is perfect quality. The quality of the wine is part of this meticulous process and attention to detail.